If you're thinking in lunch and you're thinking in a beautiful finger sandwich, you wanna try Miguel's chicken sandwiches. Absolutely perfect for a platter, finger food, and really easy to make. So you're gonna use a roasted chook from the supermarket, no bones, no skin, roasted almonds, mayonnaise. We got beautiful chives, parsley, mint, salt and pepper, all in a mixing bowl. Really simple. Toasted almonds. Ooh. We got the beautiful crunch from the chives. We got the beautiful parsley, fresh mint, really delicious, refreshing. Now salt and pepper, be nuts with this. A big dollop of mayo. And the last ingredient, but the most important, is celery. You can use a knife or you can use a peeler. See you later, alligator. It's gonna take the sandwich to the next level. Just beautifully cut longwise. And listen to the crunch. And these are crunch that put a smile in your face because you know it's gonna be delicious. Oh. And now the last ingredient is gonna be the lemon zest. This is gonna give that lovely aroma, and just make sure when you do the zest, the pith is really bitter, okay? Don't take the pith. Megan, you wanna give me a hand, please?
Amazing.
So then all the hard yards, all you need to do is just mix it all together, make it beautiful. And I'm gonna start preparing the bread. This is just really simple white bread. And what we're gonna do is just fill them up, load them up, don't be shy. I'll give you a hand here, making sure that we'll keep them all inside. It is very important when we fill in the sandwiches that we fill them right to the edge. So you just, with the back of the spoon, just squeeze them like this. I think we're ready to put the top. Okay. So take your time to find the perfect match and just pat it with your hand. You see, they're nice and soft. It's like we were going to sleep as yesterday. Now, what you're gonna do, you can use a normal serrated knife, or you're gonna go to the drawer where things are lost, and you're gonna rescue the amazing old school roast knife. And check this out, a perfect slice every time. So I think we'll get 3 out of each one. Oh, that feels so good. So there you go, Miguel's chicken sandwich, absolutely delicious. For recipes like this and plenty more, have a look in our website, stockland.com.au/Miguel. Wow, how good are these sandwiches?